Hello my dear students. Today I will discuss about some questions and answers related to constructor. The topic name is constructor. Part 6. The next slide contains constructor exercise questions and answers. Question number 1. Fill in the blanks. Number A. A member function that has the same name as its class name is called dash. Answer: constructor. Question number B. A constructor does not have a dash value. Answer: return value. Number C. The dash keyword is used to create the constructor. Answer: new. Number D. A constructor cannot be dash. Answer: static. Number E. A constructor name must be same as dash name. Answer: class. Number F. A constructor can either be dash or dash. Answer: parameterized or non-parameterized. Next slide contains the next part of questions and answers. Number G. A class can have dash number of constructors. Answer: any. Question number 2. Answer the following questions. Question number A. What is constructor? When is it invoked? Answer: constructor is a member function or method of a class that is used to initialize the instance variable of the class. The constructor has the same name as the class name. Constructor is invoked at the time of object creation. For example, student 1 obj equals to new student parenthesis open parenthesis closed. Here student is the name of the class and obj is the object of student class. Here default constructor is used to create the object of the class. The next slide contains the next part of questions and answers. Question number B. What is default constructor? Default constructor. Answer: a constructor does not take any parameters is called default constructor. The default constructor has no parameters, so it is also known as non-parameterized constructor. Question number C. What is constructor overloading? Answer: constructor overloading. The process of defining more than one constructor with the same name in a class by changing in their parameter list or signatures is called constructor overloading. For example, a shape class can have following constructors. Roman 1 shape. It is a default constructor. Number 2 shape within parenthesis int side close the parenthesis. Parameterized constructor with one parameter. Number 3 shape within parenthesis int length comma int width close the parenthesis. It is also a parameterized constructor with two parameter list. The next slide contains the next part of questions and answers. Question number D. Why do we need to use constructor? Answer. A constructor is used to initialize the member variables of its class at the time of object creation. For this reason, we need to use constructor. Question number E. What is instantiating? The process of creating an object using new keyword from a class is known as instantiating. Example, compute C1 equals to new compute, parenthesis open, parenthesis closed. Compute is a class and C1 is the object of this compute class, which is created by using new keyword. Number F. Name the Java keyword that stores the address of the currently calling object. Answer. The keyword this stores the address of the currently calling object. The next slide contains the next part of questions and answers. Question number G. Create a class with one integer instance variable. Initialize the variable using default constructor as well as parameterized constructor. Answer. Public class calculate start curly braces declaring class. Here calculate is the name of the class. Int num semicolon declare instance variable. Instance variable is also known as member variable. Public calculate parenthesis open, parenthesis closed. Start curly braces defining default constructor num equals to 0 semicolon close the curly braces. End of default constructor. Here variable num is initialized by the default value that is 0. Public calculate within parenthesis int x close the parenthesis start curly braces defining parameterized constructor. Here x is the formal parameter of the constructor. Num equals to x semicolon. The member variable num is initialized by the value x. Close the curly braces. End of parameterized constructor. End of class. Students, in this session I have discussed about some questions and answers. That's all for now. Thank you.